Okay, this is my PowerPoint presentation in my Pecha Fusha. I'm from IE 103, Section B1. So, may prepared by myself. Sorry. So, next. So, good day. My name is Joseph Andre Patrick I. Tulay. You can call me Patrick. My age is 21 years old. My birthday is January 20, 1999. And you can contact me through email address tulayp@yahoo.com. So this is my lovely parents, Engineer Gerardo Tulay and Flor de Lisa Tulay. So this is my parents. This is my address, Grace Residence, Tower 2, Unit 952, Taguig City. I indicate the map here. You can see that, and our Wi-Fi is our internet connection is strong. There's no problem in our connection. So my education background, I'm from elementary, grade 1 to grade 6. I'm from St. Andrew Montessori. In high school, grade 7 to 10, I'm I'm studying Malayan High School of Science. In my senior high school, grade 11 to 12, in Mapua University. In college, present in Mapua University. Next. So my interest is playing games. I like playing games when I'm bored. And my sports is basketball. And my hobbies watching Netflix sometimes and reading article about science. I love reading article about science because when I'm bored very much, uh, I research some science topic, and I read the article. Yeah. Next. So personal details. You can search me in FB Patrick.Bulay. So this is my memorable picture in my 18th birthday. This is my senior high friends in my 18th birthday. So this for me this is most memorable uh, in my college life. In my senior high school life. Sorry. So this is my role model. This is my girlfriend. So she is my hero. She is always motivate me when I feel down. Her optimism was the best sort of praises for me feeling courage. She was the reason why I study hard to have better life in my future. Yeah, she is my role model. So in my personal vision in Mapua, Mapua is geographically known as most scientific. There is no rule speeding or easy way to pass in every subject. Yeah, yeah. So each term was struggle for us. However, motivate me to work hard to give my best and sacrifice my word. I saw correction lang. Work done yan. In my work done. So yeah. So this is, what do you think of course IE 103? Yeah. My answer is I think it could be business subject and it can be used in the future. In the future reference. So my course expectations, my answer is in class I expect we learn that we need learn in this subject and we success our goal of this subject. Lastly, it could be fun. Yeah. So next question. Why do you think that IE 103 is a part of curriculum and do you think you can benefit from it now and in the future? My answer is yes, because in actual experience, it's all about business. I think we need to train our mind to solve complex problem and logic in our future job. So yeah, we benefit in this subject. So my innovation is robotnoid laborers or AI workers. I think I think first I picked this topic because I read some article that in other country there are lack of workers. There are lack of workers. So naisip ko pwede to gawin robot parang AI kasi technology based nga parang nag-improve ang technology natin. So inisip ko na pwede gawin alternative workers to. So ano ba itong robonoid laborers? In response to continued labor shortage, lagi most labor industry in other countries, I think we develop AI for alternative workers in construction. Yeah, ito po yun yung isip ko. So it can be help us to maximize the time we need to in building construction and lessen the risk of the safety of the people. Ito nga kasi in construction there are many risks for the safety of the people. So inisip ko pwede tong kapalit para kung mapapabilis yung gawa ng construction at mawalilesen yung risk ng kasi AI na yung gagawa. So kung nagkaroon ng problema, bali robot lang yung masisira. So yan. What is the use of the product? Build quality project faster, safer, smarter. Ito talaga yung goal niyan. Mabababilis yung project mo, mas safe siya, at mas madali pa siyang ma-improve. Or madali siya, dahil kasi code lang siya eh. Mas perfect siya kaysa sa mga tao. Kunyari kasi, pag tao lang, di kasi perfecto ang tao. Kasi, kunyari, yung isang mason, magaling siyang mason. Pero may ibang mason na hindi ganoon kagaling. Parang hindi siya consistent sa gawa. So, yung robot na to, kasi by code siya, bale, yung kung anong code nakalagay doon, yun lang yung gagawin niya. Bale, consistent siya sa mga gawa niya. So, what are the features? Labor is an issue around the country. So, with the limited supply of manpower, and the robotic laborers are the alternative mason or labor and helps to meet the schedules. Yan. Ito nga. So, last, ba kailangan ng customer to? Why the customer needs? Because it can build quality project faster, safer, and smarter. It also can produce a lot of money for customer. Ito nga, pinaka-base talaga nito, mapapatipid at mas malaki yung kita kasi sabi nga nila, di ba, oras yung kalaban dito. Bale, may kasabihin na tayo na time is gold. Bale, yung oras, kung mas maikli mo mapapagawa yung project, bale, mas mabilis yung takbo ng company mo. Patuloy-tuloy lang siya. So, yan. Ito po yung image. This is the image example in my innovation. So, so ito. Yan. Tapos, tayo po. The end of my presentation. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Ayan.